Dobrodošli sa Jugom po Srbiji.
With our Yugo around Serbia.
Prvo mesto Grza Izvor. Kaži opet opet gde idemo. Na engleskom.
Neću. To ti moraš da ugrabiš priliku kad ja ne znam inače.
Nije, kaži.
Ja ne znam ni srpski, ću govorim engleski.
Grza is situated around 18 kilometers from my town Badačin, and it is a very popular holiday destination where many people from around this area own holiday houses. It is near selo Izvor, where my dad is from. The road to Grza from Badačin is short but very scenic, with plenty of green agricultural fields, which this area is known for. Blue summer sky is enhancing the shine of local mountains and greenery. As we were driving, Dad was telling us a local legend where a young woman apparently jumped from that big rock over there because her husband has died or because he left her. He was not sure exactly, for which that rock is known for. This event happened many moons ago.
Easy.
Može.
Grza has almost magical, mystical vibe, like some enchanted forest from a fairy tale. Shame we can't see it now, but at night, the stars reflect upon this water surface almost perfectly, and for that one moment, they merge into perfect existence. Early mornings bring stubborn fog, which somehow adds more magic to it. This is my dad trying to reenact what he did when he was a small child with his friends when they used to walk barefoot and catch fish with their bare hands. I did not record my mum, but she was not very pleased.
Short Serbian lesson.
Yeah.
Drvo. Kamen.
Govna.
Nema govno.
Most.
Reka.
We are now the proud owner of a lovely 2005 DRVO KAMEN. Unfortunately, it came with these ugly $2 shop hubcaps. So we went to the local scrapyard today and I was looking for something else. I was trying to find a gear knob, but I managed to find these, which are original 1990s Yugo hubcaps. But first I have to take off the wheel nuts before I can pop those on, but that's easier said than done because they're a bit rusted on, so.